going to land the plane. So you touched your transmitter. That's why the wind picked up. Ladies and gentlemen, that is Brent's QQ, and it's probably the most difficult plane in the world to land in high wind. That's the Edge 540 QQ, Horizon Hobby. To fly in the wind, just landing it is terrible. The fort size, it handles wind really, really, really well. It just didn't have enough to land in it. Something. Speaking of landings, is that the sound of a landing I hear? Hey, not bad.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit of a walk, but I'll be okay.
At least it's not broken. Can't say the same for his extra, which is over here and broken. See it? Wait, look. It's broken. Broke. Now, I will say on a side note, I don't know why they put, I think, a 6-channel receiver in this thing and put the ailerons on a Sport 3D plane on a Y connector. So you have no differential control, but it doesn't look like it's going to be hard to fix. Just keep that in mind. You're going to have to fix that. It's right here. Yep. And there's Brent returning with his QQ. Is it broke? You didn't break that one? He didn't break that one.